We humans tend to be a vain species, but what if I told you your body is a regenerating marvel, constantly renewing itself every single day? It's true, your body is basically a DIY project that never ends. Think about it. You get a paper cut, and within days it's gone. Replaced by fresh, new skin. That's your body, always working behind the scenes, like a tireless construction crew. So, buckle up as we delve into the incredible ways your body renews itself, proving that you're not just human, you're practically superhuman. Imagine your body as a bustling city. You've got your hard-working citizens, the cells, tirelessly going about their day. But who keeps this city running smoothly? Enter the maintenance crew, an army of specialized cells responsible for the upkeep and repair of your magnificent metropolis. They patch up wounds, replace worn-out tissues, and even fight off invaders like bacteria and viruses. Ever notice how your skin peels after a sunburn? That's your body shedding damaged cells and replacing them with fresh recruits. And the best part? This regeneration party isn't just a one-time event. It's a continuous process happening throughout your life, ensuring you're always sporting your best. Well, you. Let's talk about your skin. It's not just the largest organ you've got, it's also your personal bodyguard, protecting you from the elements, germs, and that embarrassing coffee spill. Imagine it as a force field, keeping the good stuff in and the bad stuff out. But this force field takes a beating. Sun, pollution, that time you tried to make sourdough bread, your skin sees it all. And yet it keeps going, constantly regenerating like a superhero with a healing factor. This incredible process ensures your skin stays healthy, vibrant, and ready to face whatever the world throws at it. So how often does this cellular switcheroo happen? Prepare to be amazed. Your skin completely replaces itself every 28 days or so. That means the skin you have today is not the skin you had last month. You're constantly shedding dead skin cells. In fact, most of the dust in your home is actually you. But before you swear off dusting forever, remember, this shedding is a good thing. It's what keeps your skin looking young, fresh, and wrinkle-free. Think of it this way. Your skin is a masterpiece, constantly being repainted cell by cell. Now, even with its impressive regenerative powers, your skin isn't invincible. Sometimes injuries are too deep, too severe, and they leave their mark. Enter the scar. Scars are like the battle wounds of your body's constant regeneration efforts. When you get a deep cut, your body goes into overdrive, patching up the wound with collagen, a tough, fibrous protein. This rapid repair job isn't always pretty. Scars often look different from the surrounding skin. They might be raised, indented, or a different color. But they're proof that your body has your back, always working to repair and rebuild, even if it has to improvise a little. Move over, Superman. There's a new superhero in town and it's working tirelessly right under your ribs. We're talking about the liver, the unsung hero of your internal organs, quietly performing over 500 vital functions. This multitasking marvel filters toxins, produces bile for digestion, stores energy, and even helps clot your blood. But here's the truly awe-inspiring part. The liver is the champion of regeneration. While other organs might throw in the towel after a bit of damage, the liver laughs in the face of adversity. Cut it in half. No problem. It'll just grow back, bigger and badder than before. This incredible regenerative ability makes the liver a medical marvel, and scientists are still trying to unlock all its secrets. But one thing's for sure. This underappreciated organ deserves a standing ovation. So how does the liver pull off this regeneration magic trick? It's all thanks to a special type of cell called hepatocytes. These little guys are like the liver's personal construction crew, always on standby, ready to repair any damage. When the liver gets injured, the hepatocytes jump into action. They multiply rapidly, replacing damaged tissue with brand new cells. The liver doesn't just patch up the damage, it can actually regrow to its original size and shape, even if a large portion has been removed. This remarkable ability is what allows living donors to donate a portion of their liver for transplantation. With all this talk about regeneration, you might be tempted to think your liver is invincible. But even superheroes need a little TLC, and your liver is no exception. Pushing it to the limit with excessive alcohol, a diet of processed foods, or a general disregard for your health can take its toll. Remember, your liver is a workhorse, not a miracle worker. It can handle the occasional slip-up, but constant abuse will eventually wear it down. So how can you show your liver some love? Start by cutting back on alcohol, eating a balanced diet, and maintaining a healthy weight. You can also incorporate liver-loving foods into your diet, like leafy greens, beets, and cruciferous vegetables. Remember, a healthy liver is a happy liver, and a happy liver means a happier, healthier you. Let's talk about stem cells, the ultimate multitaskers of your body. Imagine a cell that hasn't decided what it wants to be when it grows up. It can become a skin cell, a liver cell, a neuron, you name it, the stem cell can do it. They're like the chameleons of the cellular world, adapting and transforming based on the body's needs. These shape-shifting wonders are the key to your body's regeneration superpowers. Need to patch up a wound? Stem cells are on it. Need to replace worn-out blood cells? Stem cells to the rescue. So next time you experience the miracle of healing, remember the unsung heroes working behind the scenes, the stem cells, the ultimate cellular chameleons. You might be wondering, where do these magical cells come from? Well, it depends. Embryonic stem cells, as their name suggests, are found in embryos. They're the ultimate source of cellular diversity, capable of becoming any cell in the body. But don't worry, you don't need to borrow a time machine and revisit your embryonic days to reap the benefits of stem cells. Adults have their own stash of these regenerative wonders, strategically hidden away in various tissues and organs. These adult stem cells are like the reserves, waiting patiently for their moment to shine. Both embryonic and adult stem cells contribute to the incredible symphony of regeneration that is your body. The potential of stem cells in medicine is mind-boggling. Scientists are exploring ways to use these cellular chameleons to treat a wide range of diseases and injuries, from heart disease and spinal cord injuries to Parkinson's disease and Alzheimer's disease. Imagine a future where we can grow new organs in the lab using a patient's own stem cells, eliminating the need for organ transplants and the risk of rejection. Or a world where we can inject stem cells into damaged tissues, prompting them to regenerate and restore lost function. While we're not quite there yet, the field of stem cell therapy is rapidly advancing. Scientists are making groundbreaking discoveries, pushing the boundaries of what's possible and offering hope to millions suffering from debilitating diseases. It's a future worth getting excited about, a future where science fiction starts to look a lot like science fact. We've explored the wonders of skin and liver regeneration, but the human body's repair skills don't end there. Our bodies are like those as seen on TV products, chock full of surprising features you never knew you needed. Take your gut, for instance. The lining of your stomach, constantly bathed in corrosive acid, replaces itself every few days. And then there's your blood. Red blood cells, those tiny oxygen couriers, have a lifespan of about 120 days. That means your body produces roughly 2 million new red blood cells every second. So while we might not be regrowing limbs like starfish, our bodies are constantly performing microscopic miracles, keeping us alive and kicking one regenerated cell at a time. It's enough to make you feel a little less human and a lot more like a high-maintenance, self-repairing machine. Now, let's talk about a party trick you wish you had. Fingertip regeneration. It sounds like something out of a superhero comic, but under the right circumstances, children and even some adults can regrow the tips of their fingers after an injury. We're not talking just bone here, folks. We're talking the whole shebang. Bone, skin, nerves, even that fingerprint you thought was gone forever. The secret to this remarkable feat, those ever so talented stem cells we met earlier. When a fingertip is severed cleanly, stem cells in the remaining tissue can jump into action, transforming into the various cell types needed to rebuild the missing part. It's a delicate process, requiring a pristine injury site and a good dose of luck. But when it works, it's a testament to the incredible regenerative potential hidden within our bodies. Finally, let's delve into the pancreas, an organ often overshadowed by its more glamorous neighbors like the liver and the heart. Despite its modest size and low profile, the pancreas is a powerhouse of functionality within the human body, but don't let its low profile fool you. The pancreas plays a vital role in digestion and blood sugar regulation. It produces enzymes that help break down food and hormones that manage blood sugar levels, making it indispensable for our overall health. For those living with diabetes, the pancreas is often the culprit, unable to produce enough insulin, the hormone responsible for ushering glucose into cells for energy. This deficiency leads to elevated blood sugar levels, which can cause a myriad of health issues, if not managed properly. But what if we could coax the pancreas to regenerate those insulin-producing cells? This could revolutionize the way we treat diabetes, offering a more permanent solution rather than just managing symptoms. Recent research suggests it might be possible. Scientists are exploring various methods to stimulate the pancreas to regenerate its insulin-producing cells, which could potentially restore normal insulin production. Scientists have discovered a small population of stem cells lurking within the pancreas, holding the potential to develop into insulin-producing cells. These stem cells could be the key to unlocking the pancreas's regenerative capabilities. While we're still in the early stages of research, the possibilities are incredibly exciting. The scientific community is optimistic, and ongoing studies are showing promising results. Imagine a future where we can stimulate the pancreas's own regenerative abilities to reverse diabetes, freeing millions from daily injections and the fear of complications. This breakthrough could transform lives, offering hope and a better quality of life for those affected by this chronic condition. The Regenerating Symphony, so there you have it. A whirlwind tour of your body's very own home renovation project, happening 24/7 without you even noticing. From the skin's tireless shedding to the liver's Wolverine-like recovery, your body is a symphony of regeneration, a masterclass in self-repair. Every second, millions of cells are working in harmony to keep you healthy and functioning. We've seen how skin, our personal force field, constantly renews itself, shedding old cells, like a glamorous snake shedding its skin, dust bunnies aside, of course. This process ensures that our outermost layer remains resilient and ready to protect us from the outside world. Then there's the liver, the silent superhero under your ribs, always ready to bounce back from damage like a regenerative rubber ball. It's not just a detox powerhouse, but also a remarkable organ that can regenerate itself even after significant injury. We've delved into the world of stem cells, the body's cellular chameleons, capable of transforming into a multitude of cell types, like tiny construction workers ready to repair and rebuild. These versatile cells hold the key to many future medical breakthroughs. And we've explored the surprising regenerative potential of fingertips and even the pancreas, offering a glimmer of hope for those battling diabetes. The ability of these organs to heal and regenerate opens up new possibilities for medical treatments and therapies. It's enough to make you want to give yourself a pat on the back. After all, your body is doing an incredible job of keeping you in good shape. Or maybe a high five to your liver. It's working tirelessly to ensure your body remains in balance and free from toxins. But before you do, remember, this incredible orchestra of regeneration is happening inside you right now. A constant hum of activity, ensuring you're in tip-top shape. Every moment your body is performing a symphony of self-repair, a testament to the marvels of human biology. The more we learn about the human body's regenerative capabilities, the more we realize how much we don't know. Each discovery opens up new questions, new possibilities, and new frontiers in medical science. It's a vast, uncharted territory, ripe with potential and brimming with the promise of medical breakthroughs. The journey into this unknown is both thrilling and daunting, as scientists push the boundaries of what we thought was possible. Imagine a future where organ transplants are a relic of the past, replaced by personalized organ regeneration using a patient's own cells. This would eliminate the need for donor organs and the risk of rejection, revolutionizing the way we approach organ failure. Imagine a world where debilitating diseases like diabetes and Alzheimer's are reversed, not just managed, by harnessing the body's innate healing powers. This would transform the lives of millions, offering hope where there was once only despair. This isn't just science fiction, it's the future scientists are working towards, driven by the incredible potential of regeneration. The dedication and passion of these researchers are paving the way for a new era in medicine. And while we haven't figured it all out yet, the progress made in fields like stem cell therapy and organ regeneration is incredibly promising. Each breakthrough brings us one step closer to unlocking the full potential of regenerative medicine. So the next time you marvel at a salamander regrowing its tail or a starfish regenerating a limb, remember this. You, too, possess incredible regenerative powers. A hidden superpower waiting to be fully unlocked. The natural world offers us a glimpse into what might be possible for humans. And with continued research and a little bit of luck, we might just unlock the secrets to a future where regeneration reigns supreme. The dream of a world where healing is swift and complete is within our grasp, and the journey to get there is as exciting as the destination.